beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the Dimpho Malebye family. Don't forget to subscribe because you're definitely going to get a lot of value from my channel and moi. So today we're going to be talking about the difference between a winning and a losing mindset. That is an amazing topic. This is because you need a winning mindset in order to accomplish your goals, be successful, and make some money. If you have a losing mindset, you're obviously going to lose some money. So obviously you want to know what is a winning mindset. So let me not take any longer doing the intro stuff, but you know how I roll. I want you to grab a notebook and a pen, take down some notes because you're gonna need them. Let's get into it. So a winning mindset is a type of mindset whereby the person goes through certain obstacles, they go through certain challenges, but they don't stop because they know they're going to win. They focus on the end goal and they keep pushing forward. They don't fail, they learn. When they fall forward. Now that is a winning mindset. So obviously you might not understand what exactly a winning mindset is just from that small explanation that I was able to put together for you guys. So I want to give you certain characteristics that a person can have that is in alignment with having a winning mindset. I'm obviously not going to give you every characteristic there is out there that defines a winning mindset, but I'm definitely going to give you characteristics that can give you an idea of what type of a person has a winning mindset, and you can now find out whether or not you have a winning mindset. Remember, the purpose of my channel is to give you growth, to show you a way into financial freedom and consistency in that matter. So this person is very self-confident. It means they're confident in each and everything that they pursue themselves in because they trust themselves. They are very aware of themselves. They're very self-aware of their strengths. They're aware of their weaknesses. They're aware of what they can actually do to improve whatever it is that they're strong in or even weak in. Another thing that a person who has a winning mindset also has is that they're always ready to learn. They're always ready to learn from their mistakes. They're always ready to learn new things, and this kind of shows you that you're falling onto the side of having a winning mindset. They have specific goals. I mean, in terms of goal setting, if you don't know what a goal is, what a specific goal is, then you'll definitely want to watch my video on goal setting and how it can make you successful. So they have specific goals. They know exactly what it is that they want, when they want it, why they want it, and how they are going to acquire it. This is a person with a winning mindset. And then we have a person with a losing mindset. These are the type of people who give up when they face certain challenges. These are the people who give up when things don't go their way or when things go too long, and they're not confident in themselves, and they think, oh no, I must be the problem, I must be doing. That is a losing mindset. And lucky enough, beautifully enough, is that a winning mindset and a losing mindset are both habits. The one is bad, the one is good. So this means that you can practice and work towards having a winning mindset instead of sticking on to the fact that, oh my gosh, I can't believe Dimpho just made me realize that I have a losing mindset. Boo-hoo, my life is over. No worries, darling. This is a chance for you to even be able to correct yourself. And that is like already a step into the right direction of having a winning mindset, because why? You are willing to learn. And I'm guessing that's exactly why you're watching this YouTube video. And that makes you a winner. That gives you a winning mindset. So now I'm gonna try and tell you guys what it is that you need to do to be able to acquire a winning mindset, because that's what I want for you. Remember, I'm gonna keep things simple. I'm not gonna go too in depth with things, because the reason we watch YouTube videos is because we want simplified versions of things that we're trying to understand. So here's the first one. A person with a winner's mindset focuses on winning. They do not focus on the next person. They don't focus on what the next person is doing, whether or not they're losing or whether or not they're winning better than them. They focus on what they are doing. So this means that if maybe you're in a race, like a practical example for this is like if you're in a race and you guys are sprinting 100-meter race track, you are obviously supposed to focus on the end goal, because the moment you try to look side to side, then that's when you lose focus and you might even lose balance, maybe fall, and definitely looking side to side slows you down. That is why even in horse riding, they give these horses these shields that shield them on the side, so that the only thing they can see is moving forward. They can't see the horses next to them or anything else but the goal, which is in front of them. Another one is that you need to be willing to do whatever it takes. I'm not encouraging you to go stripping or go join a gang or rob people or scam people to get to where you want to be. But I mean, you have to be willing to wake up in the AM, to be willing to work those long hours. You need to be willing to fail, because if there is anything that you're definitely going to do is fail. But are you going to fail backwards or are you going to fail forwards? Are you going to learn or are you going to actually lose? You need to be patient, because guys, good things take time. Easy come, easy go. And I think the longer it takes to build it, obviously you must see progress. You must be working towards goals. Again, referring back to my goal setting video, then you have every right to be patient with your process. Have every right to be patient with every setback, every win, every discouragement, every encouragement. Be patient. You need to have perseverance. Persevere in the particular line of work that you're in, whatever goal that you have, and I'm telling you, you will see results. And the nice thing about being patient and persevering in whatever it is that you're doing is that once the results come in, they flow in. It's like walking up a slide and then sliding down. That's smooth. Another thing you need to do is that you need to believe in your dreams, because if you don't believe in them, then it's very easy for you to just give up and just let it go and be a loser. But if you believe in your dream, then every loss that you take, you find a lesson in it. Every loss that you take, you try to see, where did I go wrong? What can I fix? You know what I'm trying to say? And the last thing is that you want to build your mind with positive thoughts all the time. I cannot stress this enough. This goes from the people that you're around. This goes through from the friends that you keep. What are you guys feeding each other? Are you talking about success? Are you talking about, working hard, being patient and trying again and again? Or are you guys talking about giving up? Are you guys talking about every negative thing? What is it that you guys are talking about? What books are you reading? What are you watching on TV? Are you watching learning YouTube videos? Are you focused so much on soapies that you're not learning? Feed your mind with positive thoughts always. You can do this also through meditation. Affirmations are also beautiful and great. There's so much, guys. There is absolutely so much that you can do to give your Mr. Good in the mind strength, and give the Mr. Bad, Mr. Loser, more and more weakness, so that you have that winning mindset. You will obviously have setbacks here and there. You might have moments of doubt here and there, but you need to not allow those moments of doubt to sit in you for more than 30 minutes. I read a quote today on Instagram that says that if it's not going to be worth it in the next 5 years, then do not spend your next 5 minutes worried over it. And that is powerful, that is beautiful, and that's amazing. So you need to make sure that you focus on positivity and positive vibes. There will be bad things that happen in your life. We obviously can't control every single thing that happens in the universe, but what we can control is how we take it in, how we deal with it, how do we get back up from that setback, how do we lift ourselves, how do we dust it off and move forward. You guys, I really know for a fact that this YouTube video was very informative. I know for a fact that you found a lot of information and growth in this YouTube video, because doing the research to make this YouTube video, I learned a lot. I learned a whole lot. You never stop learning, like one would think when I chose this topic to present to you guys, I thought that I know everything about it. But as I went, because I like to do research before I take my videos, because I want to give you a lot of value. I want to give you the best amount of value that there is out there on YouTube. So I do my research and I take my time on it, and I learn so much. And this is why I love taking YouTube videos for you guys, because I learn too and I grow with you guys. So what I did, guys, is that I made a request on my Instagram stories for you guys to ask me questions as to what you want to know about in terms of my financial journey or anything financial. And you guys asked a lot of beautiful questions. I was gonna actually incorporate them in the end of this video, but I decided let me rather do a wholesome video where all I do is literally answer your questions. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet, you better go and follow at omnipotent_SA, excuse me, Dimpho Malebye, and you can just click the link in the description box below, and be sure to DM me your questions. I'll put up a status again this evening so that you guys can ask your questions, and the next YouTube video I'll be posting is going to be a Q&A on everything finance. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you guys my experiences. I'm just sharing with you guys what I know, what I'm learning, and the journey that I'm going through. I'm definitely not where I want to be, and I love the fact that I'm taking this journey with you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Like this video, share this video with your loved ones, share this video with people that you know want growth in the financial world, and I'll see you on the flip side. Thank you again so much for subscribing. Bye guys. Mwah.